Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an old-school yo-yo. First, let's get comfortable. Hold the yo-yo with the string draped over the top, resting on your middle finger. Make sure the string is wound tightly and neatly around the axle. The small loop at the end of the string goes over your middle finger, not tied, allowing for a smooth release. This foundational grip is crucial for all subsequent moves. Now let's master the fundamental throw. Stand comfortably with your arm extended, yo-yo in hand, palm facing upwards. Swing your arm forward and down, releasing the yo-yo with a firm, controlled wrist flick. The goal is for the yo-yo to spin rapidly at the end of the string, appearing to sleep horizontally. This sleep is essential for performing tricks, so practice achieving a consistent, long spin. Once your yo-yo is sleeping, it's time to bring it back. As the yo-yo spins at the bottom, give a sharp, upward flick of your wrist. This quick motion creates the necessary tension, causing the yo-yo to climb back up the string and into your hand. If it doesn't return, try a slightly stronger flick or ensure there are no tangles in the string. Consistency in this flick is key for a smooth return. With the basics down, let's try a simple trick. Walk the dog. Let your sleeping yo-yo gently touch the ground and roll forward a few inches before returning it. To improve quickly, dedicate about 15 minutes daily to practice. Experiment with different throwing strengths and wrist flicks to discover what works best for you. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends in mastering the yo-yo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.